Hi Anna, do you want to learn the balance between speed and wisdom?
Yes, teacher. Why do I make mistakes whenever I rush? I want to be quick and perfect like you.
Speed isn't the same as wisdom, Anna. Even the fastest runner stumbles if they don't watch their steps.
But won't I fall behind if I slow down?
There's a time for everything. When you rush, you miss the bigger picture.
The bigger picture? What do you mean?
When you slow down, you notice the path, the trees, and even the hidden stones. Wisdom isn't about being first, it's about finishing well.
So, do you mean I should always walk instead of run?
Not always. There are times to run, walk, and even rest. The key is knowing when to do which.
I see. It's not about rushing but being careful and aware while I move forward.
Exactly. Remember, Anna, the journey matters as much as the destination. Pay attention to both, and you'll find wisdom.
Thank you, teacher. Your gentle guidance is appreciated. See you again. Bye.